In this lecture, we are going to talk about problem solving. So, what is problem solving? Problem solving is one of the core areas of artificial intelligence that talks about the theory and technology of building agents. We are always building agents now, you remember. But what will problem solving give us? Theory and technology of building agents who can plan ahead to solve a problem. In particular, here we are talking about problems, solving problems where the complexity of the problem is coming from a large number of states. Complexity is arising from the number of states in the problem. And what do I mean by states? States means some type of encoding what? A description of environment. For example, in this particular unit we will start studying problem solving with the example or illustration of navigation or route finding in a map from a source city, from a starting city to a goal city. I want to go from city A to city G. How do I go? There are many paths available. This is called the navigation problem. So navigation or route finding, we will study problem solving with this particular illustration, although there are many other applications of problem solving algorithms which we will discuss towards the end of this problem solving lectures. So here, for example, coming back to this concept of state, in case of a navigation or route finding problem, a particular encoding can be the coordinate of the city in which you are. That coordinate is a description of the state. The coordinate encodes in what particular situation of the environment you are, in what particular city you are, what is your present location. So a description of the location can be your state. It may be in the form of GPS coordinates or maybe in some other way also. So the complexity of the search problems arise from the point that their number of states is very high. So in navigation problem, the complexity comes from picking the right choice now. For example, let me give you a just short description. This is a start city A. For example, let us take an illustration map like this. So this is my map. This is just a small toy map for us to play with. I have to start from A and my goal city is G. I have to go from A to G, and these are the road connectivity that I have drawn. The complexity is coming from picking the right choice now. From A I have two choices, this choice and this one. if I take up this choice from this, I have only one path. If I take up this choice from this intersection, I have two choices. So it is about making the right choice now, then making the right choice at the next intersection, and so and so forth, streaming together a sequence of actions. What are the sequence of actions? Go from A to C, then C to D, then D to F, then F to G. So there is a sequence of actions streaming together, giving me the one possible path from A to G. So you remember that in our last lecture we discussed a classification of environments. The first was observable and not or completely observable or partially observable. Now if I tell you that my map is like A, then B, then C here, then I do not know the map, somebody has torn away the map. From here I take F, G. My start state is again A and my goal state is again G. If the map is torn away here, can you plan the path from A to G? Is it possible? It is not possible. So for partially observable environments, how to search, how to solve the problem, how to search a path from start state to goal state. Here the problem is of navigation. How to solve that particular problem, the route finding problem, that we are not discussing here. Here we are considering that we have a fully observable environment.